Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your bet history on OneXBet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on OneXBet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of OneXBet apps on in the screen, where you can see history option at bottom, which is at right side of bet slip. Just click over there, and now make sure to check it is on bet history section. Now you'll be able to check your bet history over here. So basically this is how you can check your bet history on OneXBet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.